Good afternoon. Time to wrap up the Emini trading for CMFT for July the 22nd, 2014. This morning we came into the market wanting to be buyers. We just saw the European Union doing nothing. We saw very strong buying in the overnight market. We had strong buying out of Asia, strong buying out of Europe. So everything was pointed higher structurally, so we wanted to be buyers. We started off wanting to buy the 70-72 area, said it might take a 73 to get in, and lo and behold, it took 74s to 75s and a halves to get off long. So the very strong market, very little volatility. We traded a range from 74 even to a high of 80 and a half. Pretty market, 6 points. Really not much action to be had today. So the first setup we got to be a buyer came right here. It's our retest failure pattern. You buy stop into the market. If you didn't want to place a limit order, this would have been your worst fill at 75.50. The market did trade to 79.50, so you got the expected 3 points. Maybe could have gotten another 3 ticks out of it if your exit would have been perfect, but we don't count on that. Market came back down, tried to break on this bar. We got deceleration, about 50% retracement of the IB. On this trade, you entered the market at 77.75, and we traded to 80.50, and you could have gotten out of that trade at 79.50, making 1 to maybe 2 points, depending on how well you traded it. So then the market just flat dies. Nothing happens. We have a retest failure up here where you could have gotten short. Some people did, but at that point we really were still only interested in the buy side of the market, so we chose to pass on that. So for today's trading effort, pretty minimal. You got 4 to 5 points. You had $200+ depending on how well you traded it, and that's a pretty quiet day for the E-mini these days. Later on this afternoon, a retest failure after lunch to the sell side would have produced a nice winner. Had 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 to 6 tests of the high. Couldn't get through it, so a little bit of long liquidation, and you saw it here. Could have gotten long and come back up here. So there was some pretty good trades in the afternoon if you'd stuck around to take those trades. We usually finish our trading about 11 Central, 12 Eastern. If you'd like to know more about us and what we do, please come to our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At this site, you'll get an overview of the software, our trading methodology, and our educational programs. To further encourage you to come visit us, we offer you 5 free days in our trading room where you'll get to see how we act, how we adjust on the fly, how we handle the trading intraday. That is very informative. You should not miss that. Contact us via email at info@cnfuturestrading.com or call us direct at 312-361-3895. In the interim, looking forward to seeing you in our trading room where you take advantage of our 5-day free trial offer. Good trading between now and then. See you in the room.